here is my yellow long neck. Okay, this is definitely a tree that rewards you very nicely when a fig becomes ripe. You can see that fig, it's like the size of my hand. It is starting to split, and it's still not soft enough. So it's not yet ready to pick, but when this thing is ready, it's going to be absolutely delicious. And what I'm going to do is probably get an organza bag to protect it from squirrel or other animals that might come by and want to try a piece of this before me. My champagne tree. This year, this tree has been an absolute rock star. Absolutely amazing. The amount of figs that it has put on, and how early they're ripening, and how good they taste. It's just like, look at this, every branch is completely loaded. Every branch loaded, and I've already picked so many off of this tree, okay? And it continues to be so good, and the figs are so delicious. And I think one of the secrets why it's doing so much better this year than all the other years, even though it always does really good, but the location that I have it in is pretty sunny. So this is definitely a tree that thrives in full sun. So I highly recommend this tree for the delicious figs that it produces. Just make sure you put it in a good location. And here we are a few days later, and we have our yellow long neck, and you could see the fig honey is trying to ooze out of it, and it's got that's a little sunburn there, and even the skin is starting to peel away. And that's one of the good qualities of this thing. It's got a very thin skin, and it's not coming out so easily, even though there is no white latex, which is another great sign. Let's take this thing inside and give it a taste. All right, we're going to give this thing a quick scale test here at 67 grams. And a look inside shows us a beautiful looking fig. Oh my God. Absolutely delicious. Okay, here we have a beautiful LSU Champagne, and look at that honey dripping out of the eye. Let's pick this one. So, much lighter, and this is one of the smaller ones on the tree. There are some bigger ones, but I did pick it. It was semi-soft. Could have taken more, but I saw that drop of honey coming out of the eye and I couldn't resist. Let's cut it open and see how it tastes. Oh my God, this thing is so beautiful. Never ceases to disappoint. Never ceases to amaze me. Oh my God. What a beautiful taste. LSU Champagne, guys. Definitely a must-have. Okay, some bonus here. I found a Smith on the tree, and it's a smaller one. There was a bigger one, but some wasps got to it. So this is a smaller one. Let's cut it open Now, this fig has a reputation that it's an ugly fig, but it's a delicious fig. And, on the outside it does look ugly. I can't say that it looks ugly on the inside. It's quite beautiful. And let's see if the taste. Oh my God. What a beautiful taste on Smith. That is one hell of an amazing fig. That's another beautiful fig. All right, let's test out our honey fig champion for many years. And that is our Cypress Honey. 38 grams, so bigger than the other guys. Problem with this fig, does not like humidity, okay? Always spoils from the humidity. Right, let's look inside. And we got a gorgeous fig. Okay, and what I love about this fig is you actually get fig flavor with that honey taste. What a beautiful fig. Cypress Honey. Gotta love it.